is Wednesday, September 6th. And no, I was not here yesterday as I promised. Please forgive me. By the end of the day back at work, I was spent. So rather than just get on here and ramble yesterday, I decided I would spare you and save it for today. Because today I have something brand new to tell you about. And you know I love that. So we have gotten in these very cool cakes of yarn from Knitcircus. Knitcircus. We met this gal in at H&H this summer. Chrissy and I did, and we really loved what she was doing. She hand does these cakes. They are a gradient and a speckle. What? A gradient and a speckle. Very cool. There are 400 yards in each one. She does such an intricate job of dyeing, though. It is not inexpensive. So each ball is $52, but it is 400 yards, and I have the perfect one skein to make it out of. And it is called, I think it's called or Equal, I think. And it is by Hilary Smith Callis, and it is a one skein bandana. I love that. Very cool. And with these colors, amazing. Frankly, I think this is done in this darker color. So that's the pattern. I believe it's a $5 pattern on Ravelry. All right. And here are our color choices. I really don't have an abundance of this. I bought 20 skeins. I have 8 different colors. Some have 4 skeins in the kits and some have just 2. So if you like it, let me know because you're going to want to have it. So this one is called Paint the Town. Paint the Town Modernist. Love that one. More pinky, happy, turquoisey. Oh, this one's pinky. This one's called Backyard Bouquet. Backyard Bouquet. That is definitely a backyard bouquet. Love it. These are all hand washed, lay flat to dry, okay? This is the one that I believe is this, and it is called Harvest Moon. Harvest Moon. It is a perfect color. I love it. And then we have Get Knit Done. Getting it done. Getting it done. I love that name. That's very cool. But look at that. Greens, oranges, turquoises. Love it. Then we have Simply Splendid, which is kind of reds, purples, lavenders. Very interesting. Like that. This is very fun. You know I love this one. Electric Mayhem. Electric Mayhem. All kinds of greens and turquoises. Very happy. Remember, this is Knitcircus. Greatest of ease. This one is Free as a Bird. Free as a Bird is more pastel-y in the middle, but it also has some dark kind of gray. I don't know. It would be beautiful, though. It's got some lavender, some blue, yellow, pink. And last but not least, oh, this one also is Free as a Bird. Never mind. I got 2 Free as a Bird. Look how different they look. What? These are both Free as a Bird. I must have missed one. Anyway, stick with me. That's all there is. All right. Equal by Hilary Smith Callis. That's it for today. Tonight, it is bingo. Don't forget. It's the first Wednesday of the month. And what else is going on? I think we're just taking a deep breath and getting back in the swing. All right. Stay healthy. And I will see you tomorrow.